Today we shall learn about relations and functions. So let's start. What are relations and functions? In this video we shall learn about relations, functions, vertical tests, domain and range. Imagine you have two groups. Group A. Group A is composed of students named Rahul, Priya and Aman. Group B. Group B is composed of favorite subjects such as math, science and English. When we connect an element of group A to an element of group B, we form a relation. What is a relation? A relation is simply a set of ordered pairs that connects elements of one set to elements of another set. Example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to A and B. A relation can be R equal to under the R equal to 1A, 2A, 2B, 3B. This is a relation. What is a function? A function is a special type of relation. Its definition is a function is a relation in which every element of the first set has exactly one image in the second set. In simple words, every input must have one and only one output. Example of a function. Let A equal to 1, 2 and 3. B equal to A, B, C. A relation will be F equal to under the bracket 1A, 2B, 3C. Here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B and 3 is related to C. Each number has exactly one output. This is a function. Example of not a function. Suppose F equal to 1A, 1B, 2C. Here 1 is connected to A and B. 1 is connected to A, 1 is connected to B. One input has two outputs. This is not a function. Another example from daily life. Think of students' roll numbers. Student roll number. Name of students are Rahul, roll number 15, Priya, roll number 16, Aman, roll number 17. Each student has only one roll number. Therefore, this is an example of a function. Now, think of students' favorite sports. Name of students' favorite sports. Rahul. Favorite sports are cricket and football. Priya. Favorite sport is badminton. Aman. Favorite sport is cricket. Rahul has two favorite sports. This is not a function. If we expect only one output for each input, every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. Let's recall and analyze. Do you still remember how to fill in the table of values based on a given graph? Complete the table of values below. Here, values for x and y you have to fill up. Here 2 2 for value of x is 2, value of y is 2, therefore this is 2 2. 4 and 4, this value is 4 and 4, this value is 6 and 6, this value 8 and 8, this value 8 and 10. Learning outcomes. What we have learned yet. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to express the relations and functions in table and graphs. Differentiate between a relation and a function. Use a vertical test. Now, what are relations? A relation is a set of ordered pairs that represent a relationship, such as name and age. Alex has age 9 years, Jude has age 12 years, Arlo has age 11 years, Casey has age 11 years. What is a function? A function is a special type of relation where each input only has one output. Functions are a way of connecting input values to their corresponding output values. The relation is a function if for every x value there is exactly one y value. What is a function? Functions are a way of connecting input values to their corresponding output values. Example: ordering a coffee for $5. Pay $5 and you get a one coffee. Pay $10 and you will get 2 coffees, and so on. The input affects the output in a predictable way. Graphing a function using the table of values. Given the equation y equal to 2x, step 1. Construct the table of values. Do this substituting the value of x to y equal to 2x. Table is drawn for x and y. Value of x is -1, so value of y will be -2. Value of x 0, then value of y is also 0. If value of x is 1, the value of y will be 2. The value of x is 2, then value of y will be 4. Notice that for every value of x, there is only one value of y. In step 2, plot the points x-axis and y-axis. For -1 and -2, here -1 and -2, 0 0, this is 0 0, 1 2, this is 1 and 2, 2 4, this is 2 and y is 4. Connecting these 4 points, we will get a straight line. Try this. Is this relation a function? Value of x and y is given -6, value of y -18, -3 -16, 2 -15, 7 -2, 9 -4, 9 11, 10 -9, value of 9. Here, if value of x is 9, the value of y has two values, -4 and 11. Answer will be, this is not a function because the x value 9 corresponds to two different y values, -4 and 11. Vertical line test. Use the vertical line test to check whether a graph of a relation is a function. If a vertical line drawn anywhere on the graph can touch the graph only once, then it is a function. Vertical line test. If a vertical line drawn anywhere on the graph can touch the graph more than once, then the relation is not a function. Now summary. A function is a special type of relation where each input only has one output. Graphing a function using the table of values. Step 1. Construct the table of values. Step 2. Plot the points on the coordinate plane. Closet colors. Select 10 clothing items from your closet. Create a mapping diagram to record the colors to each of the clothing you have. Then find out the information you collected represents a function or not. Share your findings with the class next session.